Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indu here, and today I'm back with another haul, and this time I'm sharing with you a Sarojini Nagar haul about jewelries and accessories. I just got like a small little of time to go to Sarojini Nagar, and I did pick up some of the stuff, so I decided I should share it with you guys. So why not just start with the video. Okay, so the first thing that I bought is in earrings is this one. This is what do you say, the long bead earrings. This is in black and golden. You can see how beautiful it is. Black and golden, and this is quite long and it looks quite pretty. Let me just wear it. This retails for around 150 rupees, and it's a quite a long piece and a beautiful one. I like the intricate designs in the long chain and the black beads over here. It looks very beautiful and it's a very nice piece. I thought since festive season is coming up, why not have some beautiful pieces for the festive occasion. So this retails for around 150 rupees. So this is how it looks on me. You can see. Very beautiful piece. Now the next piece that I would like to show you is, I know this earring is commonly found everywhere, but still I just wanted to share because I purchased it, and this retails for 20 rupees. It's a simple flat circle, earring with intricate designs to it. What do you say, design carved into it. You can say 20 rupees this retails for, and I found it really cute to wear it with western outfits and everything because it was something like different. So I just purchased it just because I saw it. So I like it. This is how it looks on me. This is very lightweight, and I just don't even feel that I'm wearing something, so it looks really beautiful. And I think this is very good to go with Indian wear as well as western wear. Third earring is this earring. Just randomly picked it up, so there's no particular reason why I picked it. I just saw it, I liked it, and I picked it up. This is what do you say, a big ring with small beads of purple and wine color, light purple and wine mauve color, I should say. And again, it was different. I just wanted to purchase it like that randomly, so I took it, and this retails for around like 30 or 40 rupees, I suppose. And it was nice, so I just picked it up. This is how it looks on me. Oh, it's going with my dress too today with the purple scenario to it. So this is how it looks. It's just again simple, very lightweight and very easy, comfy, easy to go. I think this will go very well with Indian wear. Is the favorite of my lot. This is a beautiful Chand Bali earring. I mean, I just loved it. I couldn't resist it. I was looking out for something like this from like quite some time, and I just loved it. It is beautiful. It is a little bit heavy, and it is a little bit pricey too. So first let me show you how this looks. You can see that it's beautiful. First coin thing, and then this Chand Bali earring with the small ghungroos to it, and it looks so pretty, so delicate and so nice that I just love it. So this is how it looks on me. You can see that it is so beautiful. I just loved it. This is the best thing that I've purchased this time from Sarojini Nagar, and you can see it's so beautiful. It's little bit weighted, and this was retailing for around 250 rupees because I think of the quality of the material of this earring. This was looking very pretty. It's a little bit weighted, but I really love it. It's looking so awesome. I mean, I just want to continue wearing it. Okay, before that, let me go to the next thing that I've purchased. Next is a kind of a choker necklace that I have purchased. In again silver. I think this off-white oxidized material is like so much in trend these days that like everybody is purchasing that. So next thing is this one. So you can see this looks so beautiful. Again, it is a kind of choker neck piece. It's got intricate designs over here. You can see it has got intricate designs over here, and then you have this copper rings what is a copper coin kind of design below, which makes it really nice. This is again a beautiful piece. It will go with ethnic wear. I think this would be best to wear it for a dandiya night or something like that. A very typical traditional kind of jewelry piece it is. And this retails for around, I think, 300 rupees, 250 or 300 rupees, but this is like so beautiful. And I do have to say it is a little bit vintage, but it looks like really nice on a traditional wear or traditional function. It will look very beautiful. The last but not the least is this neck piece that I have. I don't know whether you guys can see. It's a very dainty piece, and it's a layered necklace with this beads attached to it. It's got this locket kind of thing going down below, and it's made of completely silver, and this pink beads attached to it, so it looks very, very pretty, very beautiful. Loved it. I love this necklace and this choker chand bali earrings the most out of the entire lot, and they are like pretty beautiful and pretty nice. This retails for around 300 rupees, I suppose, and I really liked it. I picked it up from one of the shops in Sarojini Nagar, and this was like pretty good, pretty nice. So this is the overall haul that I have from Sarojini Nagar. I just hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please do give it a big thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. Till next time, see you. Bye guys.